The Defence Research and Development Organisation, or DRDO, along with the Indian Air Force, successfully carried out the maiden flight trial of the Tactical Advanced Range Augmentation Weapon System, known as TARA, off the Odisha coast on Thursday. The successful test marks a major milestone in India's indigenous defence technology program. TARA is a modular range extension kit and is being described as India's first indigenous glide weapon system capable of converting unguided warheads into precision-guided weapons. The system has been developed to improve the strike accuracy and lethality of low-cost weapons used against ground-based targets. According to the Defence Ministry, the weapon system has been designed and developed by Defence Research and Development Organization's Research Centre Imarat in Hyderabad, in collaboration with several other DRDO laboratories. Officials said the glide weapon uses advanced low-cost technologies and represents a significant step towards strengthening self-reliance in defence manufacturing. The ministry further stated that the development process was undertaken with development-cum-production partners and other Indian industries, which have already initiated production-related activities for the system. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh congratulated DRDO, the Indian Air Force, industry partners and all teams associated with the project. He described the successful maiden trial as an important achievement in boosting India's indigenous defence capabilities. Secretary of the Department of Defence Research and Development and DRDO Chairman Sameer V. Kamath also praised the teams involved in the successful flight trial of the TARA weapon system.